Hello, I'm Jen DiGiovanni, a certified arborist and office manager at Tree Green, your Tree MD. Driving past one of our customers' houses today, we noticed yellow leaves on the ground under a crabapple tree we treated against the debilitating apple scab fungus. We realized the leaf fall was due to a fungal condition known as anthracnose. We knew before we even stopped that the leaf drop was not due to apple scab fungus, because our highly effective treatment program to combat that disease would not allow that condition to even be present. So, how does one identify the difference between these two diseases? In these two photos, you can clearly see the brown and black spots or lesions on the leaves. This is classic early-stage apple scab fungus. In this photo, you can see apple scab has advanced to a point that it has turned these leaves even more yellow. These leaves are within a day or so of falling to the ground. As summer progresses, more and more leaves will fall until 80 to 90% of the leaves are gone from the tree. As you can see here, these crabapple trees suffering from apple scab fungus are not a pretty sight during the summer and into the fall. In this photo, you see yellowing leaves suffering from anthracnose. There are no discolored round lesions on the leaves, just yellowing. This is classic anthracnose, which can affect a wide variety of trees, and it can affect them quite differently. Here are a few more examples. As far as ash trees are concerned, anthracnose causes the leaves to fall to the ground while they still are mostly green, because it attacks the stem as a rule. Here is a sycamore tree with anthracnose. Anthracnose manifests itself entirely differently on sycamore, as it attacks the buds and prevents the leaves from opening on these trees until mid to late June. For some reason, there is always a few patches of green leaves left unaffected at the top of these trees. Oaks, maple, and other tree varieties can be affected differently as well.
Hi, I'm Megan Mays. I'm a diagnostic arborist and assistant office manager with Tree Green. One might ask themselves why the fungicide treatments we perform to prevent apple scab doesn't also prevent anthracnose. There are four main reasons. 1. They require different fungicidal products. 2. The treatment timing is different. Thirdly, anthracnose is a hit or miss issue year to year, where apple scab is definitely a yearly issue. The fourth and biggest reason is because with anthracnose, those leaves only fall over a 3 to 10 day period and then stop. At that point, the tree starts to recover as a fresh crop of new leaves begin re-emerging to replace them. The exact opposite is true with apple scab fungus. Here is a photo of two crabapple trees of the exact same variety. The crabapple on the right, with its full crop of leaves, was treated by Tree Green earlier in the spring of that same year. The crabapple tree on the left was not treated at all. This crab started losing its leaves in early June and continued losing them until this photo was taken in early August of that year. It retained this unsightly appearance right through the fall. Tree Green is proud of the stunning results we deliver for our customers. From our inception in 1970, Tree Green was and still is a family-owned business. We specialize in the diagnosis and treatment of insect, fungal, and environmentally damaged trees. If you have valuable trees of your own and you'd like to have them evaluated, feel free to give us a call or click on the link above for a free diagnosis and treatment cost analysis.